Hi, in linear arrangement, now we will solve one more important linear arrangement. Okay, now in this question, we can say it is named as double or two row seating arrangement. So these type of questions you can see in banking examinations, IBPS, SBI, Capgemini. In lot of examination, definitely you can see these kind of questions. Okay, guys, before getting into the point, I want to clear you one more important point here. Guys, let's say there are A, B, C, D and E. There are 5 friends. If I state like this, A is 2 places away from B who is at the end. So guys, A is 2 places away from B who is at the end. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can I place B here? Yes, this is one possibility. Can I place B here? This is one more possibility. A is 2 places away means what? So should I place A here or should I place A here? Okay, because a lot of people think that 2 places away means they'll write 2 gaps. So this is wrong. So should I place A here or should I place A here? So this is right. So this is right. So always remember, A is 2 places away from B. Okay, 2 places away. The gap is always, if there are n places away, the gap is always n minus 1. Okay, 2 places away, the gap is 2 minus 1, which means only one gap. Okay, only one gap. So I can say, so this is the position of B and A. So 2 places away. So n places away, the gap is n minus 1. Okay, so hope everybody understood this. Okay, let's try to solve this particular question. 5 boys A, B, C, D and E and 5 girls P, K, R, S and V sit in 2 rows facing towards each other. Okay, all boys are facing south and all girls are facing north. So let me place them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when they are facing south, okay, these are boys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are obviously facing north. So girls. Okay, so boys means who can face downwards? The boys. A, B, C, D, E. Girls means P, K, R, S and V. Okay, so now guys, if you are facing north, this is your left. If you are facing north, this is your right. But if you are facing south, so this will become your left, this will become your right. So if you point out like this, there is no confusion. Without any confusion, you can get your answer very easily. Okay, now try to get the definite information. You may get a lot of possibilities. Okay, let's try to get this. E, who is immediate right of B? Okay, if B is here, definitely right side, who is going to be there? E. Why I am saying like this? Because E is a boy, so it has to be like this only. Okay, E, who is the immediate right of B and opposite to P. Okay, and opposite to P. So E is opposite to P. So I can say definitely. So if B and E positions are like this, opposite who will be there? P will be there. Okay, but the important point is this. Can I write like this? No, a lot of people do mistake here. Okay, because E and B are facing towards south. So I have to interchange them. So I have to interchange them means what? E should be here, B should be here, and E opposite who will be there? P. Because they are looking downwards, they are facing downwards. Okay, when they are facing downwards, if B is here, so this will become his left and this will become his right. So I have to place them, the persons here. Okay, so be careful. So this is wrong way of doing. Okay, next. R, who is immediate right of K and opposite to C, okay, is one of the ends. So who is at the end? C. Okay, C is definitely one of the ends. Okay, guys, if you closely observe, so I have to place C here or C here. Okay, so let me place C here. If I place C here, what's happening now? If I place C here, R, who is immediate right of K and opposite to C. So C opposite who will be there? R. Okay, and R is immediate right of K. So I have to place K here. So here what point you need to understand here is, you can place C here also, but if you place C here, okay, opposite you have to place R. Once you place R here, you can't place K here, which means C definitely take only this position so that I can fix C here. Because if you place R here, okay, K is to the immediate, okay, so I have to place K here. So is this going to be possible? No. So the only possible is I have to place C here, opposite R will be there. So here K should be there. Okay, hope everybody understood the second point. Next point, A is opposite to K. So A is opposite to K. So I have to place A here. Who means immediate person. K is third to the right of S. Okay, so K is third to the right of S. So I have to place S here. See, third to the right means there is no 3 places gap. Third to the right, which means n minus 1. So 3 minus 1, which means 2 gaps only. So I have 2 gaps. For this point I have explained you that particular point. So 2 points here. Okay, next point. Next point here. What is the point here? D and V are not opposite to each other. So D and V are not opposite to each other. Guys, if you closely observe, D and V are not opposite to each other means, so let this point aside. I have this business. So first point, guys, P is not at any end. So already S is placed here. So I have to place P here or here. I am getting 2 possibilities. Okay. So let me place B here. Let me place E here. If I place B here, E here, I have to place P here. Okay. Now I left with whom? D and V are not opposite. So I have to place V here. I have to place D here. That's it. That's it. You got your arrangement. Every condition is satisfied. Okay. If you want, you can recheck. E, who is the immediate right of B. Okay. Yes. Okay. And opposite to P. Correct. R, who is the immediate right of K. Okay. And opposite to C of one end. Correct. A is opposite to K. Who is third to the right of S. Correct. D and V are not opposite to each other. Yes, D and V are not opposite to each other. So that you can finish your the arrangement. People are facing north and people are facing south. So this is how you need to get your answers. Okay. So once arrangement is done, the questions are cakewalk. Okay. Let's try to solve your questions. Okay, who is middle of the rows of the boys? So who is middle row of the boys? Okay, B. So B is the correct answer. Okay, Let's try to solve one more question. So this is your final arrangement. Who is immediately right of P? Who is immediately right of P? V. V is immediate right of P. We'll try to solve one more question. How many boys are there between A and B? A and B, how many boys are there? 0 boys are there. Okay, 0 boys were there between A and B. Okay. Yeah, how about this question? Who is opposite to D? Who is opposite to D? Yes, S is opposite to D. See, once you're done with your question, the arrangement is so easy. Okay. Okay, once the arrangement is done, answering questions is so easy, guys. Okay, hope everybody learned how to solve this variety of questions. So these type of questions you can see in banking examinations like IBPS, SBI, RRB, okay, which is Railway Recruitment Board, and RRB banking also you can see these type of questions. Okay, so if you know little basics, you can definitely thorough in this particular topic. Hope everybody understood this particular puzzle. Thank you.